organically. How many of you know how to clean your poultry organically? Oh my God. When you bring birds and that one mature, you sell them off. How do you prepare your poultry to bring another one? Somebody said we use what? Use your water and detergent and what? Either. That is disinfectant now. Any other question on brooding? And if you give them the question option, is it right? Or the question option, is it right? If we are moving into the brooding house, what do we expect in the brooding house? If you move your birds from the poultry, the nurturing house, you are moving them into the brooding house. What are we expecting? What are we expecting? How do you prepare your brooding house? You are now moving these birds from the breeding house now to the nurturing house now. I said that sawdust is dangerous. Did I say that? Yes. Sawdust has particles, small particles, that your bed, there is nothing you will do. They said that if you cure madman, there's no way you cure madman and you prevent him from whispering. Is that true? Yes, sir. Yes. If somebody is mad, and no matter how psychiatric handles the matter, sometimes you still see him stay low and be whispering. There is nothing you will do to birds. They will not do their legs like this. And there's no intelligence training you give them. They will never pick something on the floor. They must do what? Instead of them not to pick on the floor, they take their mouth, see the food in the face, scatter it on the ground and pick it on the ground. So sawdust, the particles of sawdust always come from different beds, different plants. Hello? There are plants that their dust is a neighborhood to beds. Because when you go and get a sawdust, you never know which tree produce that dust you are using. Are you understand that now? Now what you do is, if you bring, but right here we are in our environment, we don't always have sawdust, what do you call wood shaver. We don't always have the rice mesh. We don't always have some other things. And then what we have commonly here is sawdust. Is that true? Now, if you bring that sawdust, if you must use sawdust, please salt it very well. What did I say? Salt. Put it under the sun for the sun to heat it. By the sun heating that dust, it is like disinfecting the salt, the dust. Did you understand that? It is like disinfecting that sawdust you have just got. And then it also makes it do what? Dry. Sawdust, if you heat it, you also kill some little ants that may be in that sawdust. impregnating them, and those small